Folks, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in today. We're going to take a look here at this BRK smoke alarm. What is BRK? Well, it is the kind of the professional contractor end of the First Alert company. First Alert, of course, one of the first companies to introduce smoke alarms, smoke detectors about 70 years ago. And so with this, I've talked to some different folks about these here in town, like the electrical supply company and stuff and different contractors. This is the smoke alarm that they like and prefer and use. Pretty much in any new home build around here, this is what is going into them. They're just kind of very easy to set up, and they have, all the features that you want for most folks. With this, it is a direct wire into your electrical system. So the good thing about it is that if one alarm goes off, theoretically, all the others are going to get triggered as well, as long as it's all been wired correctly. And then also too, it has a 9-volt battery backup. So again, you need to make sure that, hey, you check and replace those batteries periodically. So that way, if the backup is needed, then there's no issue with the alarm actually being triggered. And then the other thing with these two is they're pretty good now compared to the old days of picking up the difference between a little bit of smoke from the stove when you're cooking or whatever to, hey, we've got a fire going on and we need to light these alarms up. So also in this video, we're going to see next one actually being installed. I filmed a contractor that was here doing some other work, and they installed these alarms while they were here. And so I got some good video of that I've edited for you all, so you can see what it looks like with one being installed and some different tips for installation. And we'll wrap it up here at the end. Now these wires, what do they do?
They're the red is interconnected, so if one goes off in one room, they all go off, and the black and the white are power from the panel box.
Oh, okay.
And then the battery backs them up if the power's out.
Okay. In the end, folks, these BRK smoke alarms, they're reliable, they work well, they get the job done, and they're not that hard to install. So if you do have any concerns about it, get a contractor or a handyman. Also too, before messing with anything electrical, make sure you flip the circuit breaker off and all that. Anyways, folks, definitely check these out. Good, reliable smoke alarms. They need replaced about every 10 years or so, so keep that in mind, and you all have a good day.